Today's recipe is one the whole family is gonna love. This zesty lemon rosemary chicken dish ticks all the boxes for dinner tonight. Served with crispy smashed potatoes, it is a surefire hit, and it's soon to be high rotation as a dinner time favorite at your joint. The hero to this dish, of course, is the chicken. Some might sound a little strange that I'm gonna start with the potatoes, but they take the longest, so of course we should start them first. So I've gone ahead and I've popped them into a pot just like this with a little bit of salt and water, and I've just cooked them until they're just cooked through. Now you can test that by just grabbing a fork and just pushing it in. Once the potato kind of falls back off, then you know it's good to go. I take the Carisma potatoes out and stick them onto some baking paper, and what we're gonna do is smash them. It's really fun. So all you need to be able to smash them is the bottom of a glass. That just comes on down. Ideally, they don't totally break up, but it doesn't matter if they do. So you can see what I'm doing, just pushing gently on each one of these potatoes, and voila. That is what you're looking for. They're somewhat held together, but they've also been smashed. Okay, so here's what we do. We take a little bit of olive oil straight into a pan like this. We now just get our smashed potatoes and just gently shimmy them in just like that. Okay, so we're gonna cook our potatoes for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna flip them over and get another 5 minutes on the other side. While the potatoes are frying, grab another large pan just like this one, go ahead and turn that onto a medium-high heat, and then we're gonna saute slices of lemon. What we're gonna do is cook them for a couple of minutes on either side until they start to caramelize and give it a really beautiful sweetness. Of course, you'll still have the sour from the lemon, but it's a great balance. Into a pan, tiny bit of oil, then we get our lemon and straight into our saute pan. Now, once you have a little bit of color on those lemon slices, just go ahead and flip them over. We're gonna cook the lemons on both sides. It's gonna be a beautiful garnish and addition to the chicken. Once our lemon is golden brown, you can remove those slices and just stick them on a plate for later. All right, time to cook our chicken. So let's get a little bit more olive oil. We're gonna go ahead, drizzle that olive oil into that hot pan, grab your chicken thighs, season them with just a little bit of salt, and in they go. And you can hear them sizzling, and that sounds fantastic. Season with a little pepper as well. Give it a little shake around, and you're really picking up all that flavor of the lemon off the bottom of the pan. All right, it's been about 5 minutes, so let's go back to our potatoes. Look at how crunchy and perfect they are. We'll turn them over, and then we'll cook them for about 5 minutes or so on the other side. Oh, it smells good in here. That chicken with the lemon, I tell you what, the flavor of that's gonna be magic. Let's have a little peek. Oh yeah, look at that. Gorgeous color. Now, could you use chicken breast instead of chicken thigh? Sure, the chicken thigh is going to be a little juicier and have a little more flavor, and that's why I love using it. Once our chicken has had about 6 minutes on either side, and it's golden brown all over just like mine are here, you can go ahead and remove them from the pan. Stick them in a bowl or a plate, just let them rest for right now. And then we take a little butter and add some garlic, add some rosemary, and we're gonna fry the rosemary until it's just lightly crisp. Then we add the stock, the lemon juice, and we bring the whole lot to a simmer. Once your potatoes have got that perfect golden brown crispiness, turn your heat off, and then you're just gonna pop them right on in to a serving bowl. All right, get your chicken thighs. We're actually gonna put them back into the stock. They take just another minute or so just to finish off in there. And don't forget all that jus, all that little chicken juice that's come out, pour that back in. It's all flavor. As long as your chicken thigh's got that 6 minutes on either side and you get that beautiful golden brown, sitting them back in the stock here for just a few minutes, they'll be done. Now, I kind of like to take these lemon slices and put them back on the top of the chicken. Then you can turn off your heat. Go ahead and lift your chicken thighs up. Place them straight over those crispy potatoes. It's a very rustic dish, but I tell you what, it is so, so tasty. Get the garlic and the lemon sauce and spread it all over the chicken, and the flavor of the thing all combined is just divine. I have just a couple of sprigs of rosemary that you can use as a little garnish. Look at that. It's simple, it's fast, but wow, is it delicious. That is my best ever Greek-style lemon chicken with crispy smashed potato, all dished up in just over half an hour. You know what's good with this? A simple, tasty Greek salad. Hope you love it as much as I do. For more of my best ever recipes, head to Cole's YouTube channel or coles.com.au and check out my best ever recipe playlist. I think I deserve a little taste. Make it.